Your account as a doctor is password protected with two-factor authentication. As you log in as a doctor, you are directed to Doctor's dashboard. Here you can view number of patients today, view number of prescriptions today, view total number of patients, and view total number of prescriptions. If a patient is not in your existing list, you can add one with just a simple step, where you can add all the essential details about the patient. After adding a new patient, you can add a new prescription against his name. We have made searching any medicine easy, where you can search a medicine generically, or against any specific brand. After selecting a specific medicine, you can suggest its dose, frequency, and number of cycles to repeat. You can also include instructions for patient and pharmacy here. A doctor can list off all the patients he has attended so far, where he can edit a patient details, delete a patient, add a new prescription, view medication history, propose any lab test, and view lab test results. Contact us for more details.